Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, the internet's favorite loser, signing back on once again to bring you guys another video. We're back here on Borderlands 2. I'm bringing you guys another legendary weapons guide in 2025. Today we're going to be going after a grenade known as the Rolling Thunder. Correct? I feel like it's correct. Yes, it is. Sometimes I get the Rolling Thunder, the Trolling Thunder, and the Nasty Surprise mixed up. I don't know why. It just kind of happens. Also, I'm still sick. I have a headache. I'm dying. How are you guys doing? Uh, to unlock this farm, all you have to simply do is play the game. Push your way through the story till you get the Wilhelm, and then you will. Once you beat him and turn in the quest, you'll be able to run your ass right back through Tundra Express, run all the way back to Wilhelm, kill him, and get your chance to get a Trolling Thunder or a Logan's Gun. The only reason you're going to want the Logan's Gun is the regen rockets, and the only reason you're going to want the Rolling Thunder or the Rolling Thunder is because you're just trying to collect every legendary in the game, like my bored ass is. So, here's run number one. He's dead. Did we get it first try like we did the Stormfront? I hate this arena, man. Trying to find shit in the snow and the ice, man, it sucks. Fucking sucks. Dude, I'm dying. Is he still sitting there, bro? Like, this guy has an issue with me. Look at this son of a bitch. You're done. You're all done. Alright, go away. Oh, man, my head is killing me. I can't sleep. I can't breathe. I'm dying in every possible way. Like, I can't. Like, I have a headache. I can barely keep my eyes open, but I can't fall asleep because I can't fucking breathe. And I hate my life. Why? Shoot him in the face till he dies. Shoot him. Let's kill him. I don't know, man. Ugh. Like, I have no energy, but I want to make content because I can't sleep. So I figured I might as well just do something with my time. Oh man, dude, my head is killing me. Help, help, dude. I'm gonna end it all. Ugh. And no Trolling Thunder yet. No Trolling Thunder. I'm like about to pass out in my chair, but then when I try to sleep, I can't breathe, so I can't sleep. Just gotta breathe. Of course it didn't slag him. I only had that wreck for like 5 seconds. I'm actually beginning to think that the better class mod here would just go on. Very. I'm using an infinity because I don't want to have to buy ammo because I don't feel like buying ammo. So I literally just pistol build my infinity ammo. I love Salvador because he regens ammo. He's broken. You can merge weapons. You take the damage off an Ahab and put it on a Slag Pimpernel because you're offhanding it. You could kill raid bosses, destroy raid bosses. What we were talking about? Oh yeah, I love Salvador. Fuck this sickness, dude. I'm not down to monkey with the sickness, okay? I'm not monkeying. I don't want to monkey. I want to get down with the sickness. I want the sickness to get the fuck out of my life. Maybe if I do crack, that, that would help me a little bit, I guess. If I'm missing the drop, it's literally just because I can't see it, dude. Like I can't see it. Like, oh god, no. Oh no. Save and quit. Oh help. Uh where is it? Thank you. Turn around. Fucking die. Slowly meander. What the hell is this? Take that. Back. No, dude. Oh. Hey, I think that was that fucking pistol I just had a second ago. Dude, I haven't slept. Like, oh my god, help. I'm about to sneeze. I can't stop sneezing. Every time I sneeze, I feel like my brains are falling out. This is me fucking complaining in this video, dude. Like, someone's gotta listen. I'm literally about to sneeze and it's gonna kill my head. Like, it's gonna kill my head, dude. I just got the headache slightly under control. The second I sneeze, the second I'm the fucking I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm like done. Done mentally. I'm done with life, man. Where's my gun? Alright. Just shoot him until he dies. We don't need no B. No, we do. You go away. You are wondering why I'm so silent is because I'm trying to figure out the best way to end it. Not the video, my life. Can't sleep because I can't breathe. I can't breathe because I can't sleep. Can't live. I can't. My God, where is it? Drop the gun. Back. Stop spinning at me. Stop spinning. Not necessary. Do not be the Logan's gun. Stop. In the name of the law. Don't. It's the Logan's gun. It's gun. It's the Logan's gun, dude. It's level 80, dude. It's level 80 Logan's gun. It's the Logan's gun, dude. Help. Help me, dude. Help. Help me. Lord, help me. It's just the sudden drop where you just no longer see your character in existence. Like you just are no longer alive, dude. And the sound effect kills me. It's just like shoot him in the face from a distance. Stand there.
That is beautiful.
uh. Feels so slow, like my whole body just doesn't work. Like, just trying to move this mouse to aim my gun, like, feels like this mouse is 1,000 pounds. And, like, my body is just, it's just not, it just not, it's just not. It's not, man. It's not. Can you stop standing there? He's just standing there menacingly. That's right. That's what I need right there. That fucking iridium, dude, that's mine, dude. It's not like it's not like I have, I don't know, 500 iridium. I need torque tokens and seraph crystals. Could use those. Can't get them here. Go up, Wilhelm. Big hand. Big hands. You ever wondered that, you got all those robotic parts and enhancements and shit? You think he got, like, robo butt and, like, a robo cock? You know? I don't know. These are the real questions need answering. Guys, the roll thunder stuff. Roll thunder. I can't. I got noise reduction on my microphone, so it's probably not even picking up my laughter, and that's gonna make me sad. It's gonna make me sad. Then nobody will hear my insanity. No, 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 we don't do that here. Sure, this is a Wendy's. Oh, you're just gonna accept that. What the fuck? Come back! Come back! Come back! Serious? What do you? Oh wait, I got. Hold on. We got this. I got that. That massive fire rate. I got up for a bushwhack, dude. About to whack my bush. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know. I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Drunk. Drunk in both in the game and in real life. What the hell did I just... I don't need to see my achievements. I don't have any achievements, man. I've accomplished nothing in my fucking life. Done nothing. Alright, we don't need to see my achievements. I was in a school play once. About as far as that goes. This thing stopped floating. Like, I hate it. I hate that thing. I hate it. Where is Wilhelm going? Hello? What are you doing, sir? This is Wendy's.
Satisfying, huh?
How many things did he spawn? I swear to God, I thought that was a pitchfork. I was like, did we just get a what? What? Like, what did he just give me? Dude, we really need that iridium. But what I would have did without that single piece of iridium. Oh, how's everybody doing? Wow. Alright. Damn, Infinity was doing better. Got my B shield back just for it to get taken away. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna have to cut this short, guys. I'm dying. Like, I'm literally dying. You know what? We'll do one more run. I've deemed it necessary. Torture myself for one more run. Hey, it's an Avenger. It's an Avenger. I don't know why that made me laugh. Hello? Thank you.
Enjoyable. Enough.
Can't be fucking serious. You can't. You can't. Like, you actually can't. You honestly, you can't. I said we're gonna do this one more time, and he goes, "Here you go. There it is. Look at this thing. Good. That good? Look at that. How good that is. It bounces. Bounces, man. All right, anyway, there it is. Rolling Thunder. There it is, right there, guys. All right, this was one of my. I don't even know. I don't even know. What an accomplishment, guys. I can add this to my list of achievements. Anyway, guys, the internet's favorite loser. Signing off till next time, my friends. Goodbye and good night. Thank you for watching.